Good morning, students. I hope all of you are well and safe at your home. Okay. So in previous classes we have completed some lessons of grammar, and today we are going to start the first lesson of our literature section, literature book, that is The Dream of Future. Okay. First of all, I want to tell about the story. The story is basically an extract from the novel Little Women. Little Women is a novel. In this novel, the story is about four sisters. Okay. In this novel, the main part is that there are four sisters. Okay, and their father is an army officer. Okay. So during the time of war, during the American Civil War, his father went out on war, and the girl's mother, okay, the girl's mother, she was taking care of all the four daughters alone. Okay, so this story is basically about the love and bonding among the four sisters. Okay, so first of all, we'll see the main characters in the story. The main characters in the story are Meg, Jo, Beth and Amy. These four girls are sisters, and one more character is Laurie. Laurie is actually their friend. Okay, Laurie is friend of these girls, and he lived in just the house next to them. Okay, they all belong to a March family. These all girls belong to a March family, and the novel, The Little Woman, that novel contains all the life stories of the March family. Okay, so in this lesson we are just going to read an extract from that lesson, that novel, and the name of our lesson is Dreams of Future. Actually, as we know, when we are small kids, or when we are just at the age of when we are at youngsters, like we have many dreams. Okay, somebody dream to be rich, somebody want name, somebody want fame, so we are having many dreams. Okay, now it depends upon our work, and it depends upon our strength that how much we are able to achieve our dream. But when we are small, when we are at the age of teens, we are having lots of dreams, right? So this story is actually about the dreams of these five youngsters. Okay, so let's start our story. One day, Laurie was just sleeping in his garden, and suddenly he saw that these four girls were traveling out, or they were going out of their house. So Laurie said that he thought that where are they going and why haven't they informed me? Just because I have said you that these five, all of them are friends. Okay, so Laurie thought that why they haven't informed me. Okay, so he decided to follow the girls. When he started following the girls, he saw that the girls went on the mountain. Okay, they had long hats and sticks in their hand. They went on the mountain. Now Laurie, he had gone by following them, so he was standing behind the tree and he was watching all those girls. What he saw, that the girls were sitting under the tree, and there they were playing something. Okay, but actually see what Meg was doing. Meg was mending something. Okay, now Jo was making some socks. Then Beth was playing with her doll, and Amy was drawing the picture. So they were playing. Suddenly Beth, she looked up and she saw that Laurie is watching them. So she said, Laurie, that come and join us. Okay. So at the same time, Meg said that it is the rule of our game that the person who will come here, they have to do some work. Okay. So they were playing, and they appointed the work of reading the book to Laurie. Okay. Laurie said that yes, I'll read book for you. Okay. All of them were just playing games. After playing the game, the book was not so long, the story was very short, so they completed the game very soon. After completing the game, they thought that for some time they will sit there and they will talk. Okay, now what the topic they had taken that day? That day they decided to talk about their dreams. Okay, what they want to do in their future. This was the topic. Now all the four girls requested Laurie to say his dream first. Now what was the dream of Laurie? What Laurie said? Laurie said that he want to travel the whole world. Okay, he want to travel the whole world without any tension. Okay, he don't want to think about the money or business, nothing. He just want to enjoy his life by traveling the world. This was all his dream. Okay, Now next, now he moved on to Meg. He said to Meg that, Meg, what's your dream? So Meg she thought for a little and she said that I want a house, okay, that should be beautifully decorated, there should be pleasant people, she want good clothes, she want good foods, okay, and she want that lots of servants would work around her. Okay, means she want complete luxurious life. Okay, she don't want to work, she don't want to do any work by her own. Okay, she had dream of complete luxurious life where she would have a big house, she would have lots of servants and all. Okay, this was all about the dream of Meg. After Meg, next comes the Jo. Okay, now in Meg she said that she want house with pleasant people. Now Jo interrupted her and said, will you share with your house with your husband? So Meg said that I mean pleasant people, and in that pleasant people obviously her husband and her children. Now Meg said to Jo that I know you would have only Arabian horses and books. Okay, so Jo said that yes, I want a room full of books. Okay, why she want a room full of books? Because she wanted to be a famous writer. Okay, the dream of Jo was to be a famous writer, and she wanted that her writing would be famous in the whole world. Okay, means she want to make her writings famous in the whole world, and she want to be rich from there. Means what they all want, they just want rich, they want to be rich, and they want name and fame. Okay, now next comes the dream of Beth. Now all of them asked that, Beth, what is your dream? So Beth said that I just want that my family would live safe and happily together. Okay, she don't want any name, she don't want any fame, she don't want any money. All what she want was the love and bonding among her family members. Okay, she said that I just want that my all family members should live together happily. Okay, then Laurie asked him only this much. So she said that yes, until I am having my piano, I don't want anything else. I just want my family. Okay, so this was the only dream that Beth had. She don't want any luxury. Okay, she don't want any name, fame. Now next comes the dream of Amy. Amy was actually the younger sister. Okay, and her dream was to be a good painter. Okay, she want to make drawings, she want to visit Rome, and she want to be a famous world artist. Okay, this was their dreams. Now, after deciding their dreams, Laurie suddenly said that you don't think that we want much. Obviously, they all want to be worldwide famous. They all want like luxury. So Laurie said that you don't think that we want much than our expectation? All the girls said that yes. Now we have to see that how much we are going to achieve. So all five of them decided that again we will do a get together just after 10 years from now. They decided that again we will meet after 10 years and we will see that how many of us are near to our dream or how many of us are just going to achieve it. Okay, because what actually happens, we see lots of dream, I want to be a pilot, I want to be something like, but at the time of working just we move back our legs. Okay, so if we will see a big dream and if we will not work on it, how we are going to achieve it, right? So whatever is the dream, we have to work on that. So all these five of them, they shared their dreams and they decided to meet again after 10 years, and that time, okay, that time they are going to decide that time they are going to share that how much of their dreams they have achieved. Okay, this is all about their dreams. Now once again I am recalling the characters and their dreams because this is only the most important thing about this chapter. This is only the basic thing about the chapter which you have to remember. Okay, so who were the four sisters? Meg, Jo, Beth and Amy. They were the four sisters and Laurie was their friend, he was their neighbor. Okay, now what was their dreams? They are youngsters and their dreams was too big. Now what was the dream of Meg? Meg want a house full of beautiful things, she want good clothes, she want pleasant people around her. Okay, next one was was Joe. Joe wants Arabian horses. She wants books. She wants collection of books, and she wanted to be a good writer. Okay, she wanted that her writing would be famous in the worldwide. Next one was Beth, and Beth, she was very just her dream was very small. Okay, her dream was just to be safe and happily with her parents. Okay, now next one is Amy. Amy want to be a good artist. Okay, she want that her drawings, her painting would be famous in the whole world. Okay, next one was Laurie. Laurie's dream was to travel worldwide. Okay, he don't want to have any tension of money, or he don't want to have any tension of business and all. He just want to enjoy his life. Okay, this was all the dreams, and finally they decided that they will meet again after 10 years, and that time they will see that how much they have achieved and how much they are lacking behind. Okay, so this was all about the story, this was all about their dreams. Now I'm going to give you some assignments.